Welcome to the PPE Manufacturing Marketing Benchmarks for 2026. Powered by CUFinder, this report breaks down the digital marketing metrics that matter most for PPE manufacturing professionals worldwide. Device distribution shows mobile at 58.5%, desktop at 58.5%, and tablet at 58.5%. Mobile optimization is essential for reaching your audience effectively in this industry. For engagement, average session duration is 18 min-ROM hours with 3.8 pages per session. The bounce rate averages 48.5%. Traffic sources reveal organic search drives 46% of all traffic. Direct traffic accounts for 30%. Paid search brings 41%, and social contributes 46%. For pay-per-click, Google Ads CPC averages $4.15. Facebook ads cost NRDA per click. The average cost per acquisition is 110 GUI. Conversion rates show an overall rate of 2.2%. Retention metrics show a 78% customer retention rate. On social media, LinkedIn leads at 5% engagement, Instagram follows at 1.1%, TikTok is at 0%. Email marketing shows an average open rate of 22.5%. Click-through rate is 3.2%. Key takeaways for PPE manufacturing. Mobile traffic at 58.5% makes mobile first essential. LinkedIn leads social engagement at 5%. Email open rates of 22.5% show strong audience engagement. And organic search drives 46% of all traffic. Thank you for exploring the PPE Manufacturing Benchmarks 2026. For more data-driven insights and to find your customers faster, visit CUFinder at CUFinder.io.